here I have multiple lists. So once you log in the platform, it will automatically scan your LinkedIn profile and it will tell you, it will make a list with all the people that are connected with you. So at this moment, I have 5,887 LinkedIn connections. I can access this list, and let's say, for the sake of this example, that I want to see in my feed only the CMOs. I will stick to the CMO example. So I want to see in my feed only the CMOs. I have this filters section here that allows me to select the exact people, the exact criterias I want those people who are shown in my feed. So for the sake of this exercise, for the sake of this example, I chose the CMOs. So right now, let's see. I have 41 people in all the LinkedIn connections. There are 41 people who are CMOs. What I do next is I select those 41 people and I simply add them to my watch list. Right now, all of those people will be added in my watch list. So let's go and see. They should be automatically added here in the watch list. And right now I have to refresh the feed. Okay, let's see what we have here. Yeah, look, so they are already here. Okay, they are already here. Right now, I go to the comments section and I need to wait for the feed to be refreshed. Right now, what the app does is the platform go and scans all those 41 profiles, and it will include here in the feed all the posts from those people who are relevant to me. So these 3 posts are already in my feed from the people who I want to engage with.